Yo, what up? This your man V from Fade and Full, and we back. You know what I'm saying? Back like I never left, fresh body and all that. You know what I mean? There's been a lot of Barber Box business. A fully loaded box, only $50 out the door. It's a great gift for a barber that you know. This video is brought to you by OneBarberBox.com because there is only one Barber Box. We're sending boxes worldwide. I even got people in Africa saying they want Barber Boxes. I'm like, oh my God, like, yo, Africa? You know what I mean? Shout out to the barbers cutting in Africa. Shout out to the barbers in the UK. You know what I mean? Everybody that's rocking with me. Today what we're going to do is a full razor edger. Super simple. All you got to do is get your touch right. And then it's going to look crispy and crazy. Just straight slicing, duh. That's how I do it. And I want to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel. Our subscribers are growing tremendously, and I appreciate that. And I appreciate all the newcomers that's watching the channel. Newcomers, what up? This your man V. Get a Barber Box, and we're going to get right into this.
All right, here we have a completely done light fade, ready for an edger. I want to comb the hairs down just a little bit before I start to take them down. Then use my fast feeds with my blade completely open just to smooth down the hairs near the line. You can use your one guard or like your smallest guard. You don't want to take the hair down too much, just enough so that the hairs just lay down. Then apply warm cream or foam or gel, whatever your preference is, to the area where you're going to be lining up with your razor. Use a clean towel to wipe your hands off. Use your comb to wipe the cream off your client. Wipe the cream from the comb onto your clean towel. Use a fresh disposable razor. Load it up in your holster. Now we're ready to go. Then comb the hairs once again to identify the hairs that you want to slice off. After you comb all of the hairs down, place your razor on your client's skin at a 40-degree angle where you can identify the hairs that are sticking out. Scrape your razor in an up and down motion to slice those hairs off. And that is how you start making your line. Fake star wouldn't go away.
30 hertz straight up.
For this section, I'm going to comb the hair with the grain. Use my razor and it's with the same technique as I used for the top. Don't go too far inside because that will push the line back. Everyone's edge up is different. I don't want this corner to go past the end of my client's eyebrow. Fake star wouldn't go away. You'll start to see an ash line or a chalk line start to develop. That just means you're scraping the skin a little bit. You know, in pictures and videos, that gives the line a sharper look. Clients actually like that. On this section, this corner, I'm using the razor with the same technique, up and down. As you can see, my razor is at a 40-degree angle, always up and down, never in a side-to-side motion. On this area, I'll be pulling the skin toward my client's eye and using my razor against the grain. How I'm forming that small chalk line that's making like a straight line. Once I let my client's skin go, we'll have a curve. Curvy or straight, you know, that's really preference. I like more of a curve right here. And we've already gone over this area in a previous video. Same rules apply. Stretch the skin, make the line first, and then we'll come back and scrape all the stubble off.
Fake star with no wave. 30 hertz straight up.
On this area, hairs can get a little tough. So just apply a little bit more pressure if you feel like the hairs are tough and they're not cutting. And if you're not able to cut the hair, then apply more cream or gel. It's all about the angle where you're slicing the hair, and how far you stretch the skin so that the hairs stand up. And that makes it easier to cut.
Purchase your tracks today.
Fake star with no wave.
All right, let's see our complete right side. Here is how it looked before, so you can see the difference. Now, here's the complete after, both sides. And funny story is, because we made this video, I did the entire left side with no cream. I tortured this man. But here's our after footage. Thanks again for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do both sides on cam. And subscribe to a Barber Box. And we out.